And
we call her Sparky.
And we're from Margaritaville.
Daytona Beach.
Yep, Daytona Beach. And we ride with a group called the Road Pirates. So
Out of Margaritaville.
Yes. And Margaritaville is party city for anybody over 65. Oh, 55?
55 plus
55.
community. Yeah, yeah.
So you want to come and visit us because we have a great group of people and we all know how to ride and we're learning all the new rules. So Bunny and I came down to Leesburg today just to check it out so we can go back and tell everybody how much fun it is. Okay? Yeah.
Yay, Leesburg.
Now, Bunny is only like a year.
Only about a year I've been riding, but I love it. It's a new hobby, a new passion. Never giving it up. Nope.
How long have you been riding? Well, Sparky's been riding. As you guys have interviewed me a couple times, I've done 250,000 miles plus. I've been to Sturgis 9 times. I've been to Milwaukee for the 95th, the 100, and the 100. And I rode from San Diego to Daytona Beach, Florida, all the way down to Key West and back. Now, the good news was I took 2.5 months to do it. So that was a good thing.
That's okay.
Yeah. Not too many miles a day. Very, very leisurely. And we're encouraging women to get trikes, get bikes, and get out on the road with us. Seniors. Yay, yay.
Yay.
Hey, thank you.
We're here at the bar. We're going to go over here and see Prime Cut Pro, an awesome documentary. So we gotta say hi again. Hey.
How's it going? Awesome documentary, Prime Cut Pro. Make sure you subscribe. Prime Cut Pro. Yeah. Don't forget.
It's the 2019 CVO Limited.
What you haven't done today?
I'm having a new kickstand put on, electric kickstand put on by All Customs.
Okay, and what's your first name?
Marlon.
And where are you from?
New Jersey, Sicklerville.
All right, did you ride down?
Yes,
Trailer
I
down?
did.
Rode down?
We don't trailer.
All right. How many miles is that?
That is 1,500 miles.
How many days?
2 days.
That's pretty good. Pretty good riding.
Yes, sir.
So you're here when you're heading home?
Heading home Sunday.
Okay. All righty. Sounds good. Get some of this nice warm weather down here.
Oh, yeah.
There's still some snow sneaking around up there in the north.
Oh, yeah.
What'd you buy?
Mini stiletto.
All right. You've been probably waiting years for that knife, right?
I have been waiting years.
You came to the right place.
Thank you.
We're going.
I'm Zelda from Orlando. Check out my Harley wear.
Central Florida in the house. All right. Florida on top. All right. Very nice. Very cool.
Bling on the butt.
I like the boots.
All right.
Hi everybody, I'm Grace. I'm from DeLand, and this is my Harley.
DeLand, South Florida in the house. All right. Central Florida, right?
Yeah, Central.
It's literally.
Should I record Tam while Tam's recording me?
There you go.
Hey guys, I'm Scott Champion from Pawamoto. I've come a long way, 6 hours to come see Bob and Tam over here at Leesburg Bike Day or Bike Week?
It's BikeFest.
It's BikeFest for 1 day, and we're up here, we're having a great time. If you like motorcycles, you want to give back to your community, you're a veteran, you got 2 wheels, 3 wheels, come see me right now on Pawamoto, P-O-W-A Moto. Subscribe today. Appreciate you, bro. Appreciate you.
Power Moto, subscribe to them. Hey. Yes! Out in South Florida. This guy's got a lot of energy. Subscribe to this guy.
Prime Cut Pro on Pawamoto.